Hello folks, this is Steve, AB4L. I want to show you something. I'm not quite in Franklinville. This is NC22. RAMSEUR-LAKE Road. This is why you don't want to live in a city. I used to live in Raleigh. Goodbye, Raleigh. I want to show you. This is RAMSEUR-LAKE Road. I'm not going to stop the car, I'm just going to show you. No pets allowed, no firearms, bait shop, electric motors only, 10 miles per hour maximum speed. No mini bikes, no alcoholic beverages. Lake RAMSEUR. Yes, it's a reservoir. There's the dam, and on the other side is also part of it, and there's a picnic pavilion, there's a fishing dock and picnic tables. I want to give you a view of the lake. And the mini docks over here, they're not used anymore, but people use them for fishing. There's a fishing pier. Now the temperature is way above 90 today. No, I'm not going to get out. This is maintained by the town of RAMSEUR for their drinking water. My recollection is that the dam is a part of the Sandy Creek chain going into the Deep River. I'm paying attention to what they said the speed limit was. There's the U.S. flag and the North Carolina flag. I want to give you another view of the lake. Look at how beautiful it is. Now there's one boat out there, but there's also an anchored pier of a kind out there. There are certain boat rentals you can do here. My guess is the guy who has that truck probably brought a kayak. There are picnic tables under the trees there. There's handicap parking there to the right in the muddy area. No fishing from the bank, but you can go on the fishing pier. I can see one boat out there. Actually, it is a kayak. I can tell now because I see the guys paddle. But the one beyond that is something that's anchored out there that has, I'm not sure what it is. There's a fishing pier over there on the other side the person's walking off of. You can rent these boats and kayaks here on the right. Just wanted to show you how beautiful it is here. I'm sorry if the sun glared on the windshield. It's beautiful here. Thank goodness I no longer live in a city. Thank goodness. Looks like father and son. Good. Lake RAMSEUR. RAMSEUR, North Carolina, Randolph County, the beautiful Piedmont. It is hot today. Steve AB4L. Just driving home from getting some food shopping, and a sun hat made of straw. Keep me from getting extra sunburned on the top of my bald head. Saying see you in 73.